Good morning. Good morning. What a predator. Good morning, Coper, Donovan. Do a quick audio check. Sounds good. All right, let me double check this Bulenox sale right quick, so we can update this information for now. All right, Bulenox. Oh, come on! Don't tell me that happened. All right, good. It didn't. 75% off on Bulenox. I thought somebody stole my code again because Bulenox took away the thing. $75% off on Bulenox, and then APEX. What is APEX? 50%? I don't know. Sell ended last night. No new sale. I'm going to assume it's probably 50% off. That's probably a reasonable assumption. What up, BKR? Francis Yuri, how you doing? Yeah, hoping to finish the week with a green winning trade. Obviously, would be nice. Oh, it would be nice. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let's update. Let's get this updated. We do have... Well, we don't have very many people in here. We'll wait until we get a few more people in here. All right, we got that updated on Streamlabs. Let's update our title here. Oh, let's move this. Come on. 150K. Take Profit Trader eval giveaway today. So we're going to be giving away 150K Take Profit Trader eval today, guys. Free to you guys. Free to you guys. The only person that is disqualified from entering is Andy. No, I'm just kidding. Andy can enter. Andy has been the biggest luck box ever. So there's an interesting 5-minute setup here. I'm not in love with it, but I might take it on one account. We'll see. I don't know, man. See, the only thing on this one is I don't love the angle. Like, okay, you got this here, and then you kind of have this one here. The angle on that one's pretty rough. Might take it with one funded account. Just look for like 15 points or something. It's going to close in 30 seconds here. Clearly going to close below. 10 a.m. news today. 2-star futures trader. I don't know that it does much. What up, John? I don't love how, like, this thing's closing. Yeah, it's not horrible, but I'm going to wait for a retest. So there's the close. I want to see a little push back up here. Push back up into the 88 area, maybe. Market's moving kind of slow right now, huh? We'll see a little push back up here if we can get it. Yeah, it looks like we may not get it. Got the 50 EMA down there at the 66. I need a retest up there to that 88 level. Kind of thinking we may take one contract there and see. But that being said, we may not get the push back up. Really not moving very quickly here. The thing is, kind of below that 50 EMA there, we got a decent amount of room to the downside. Good morning, Mad Moxie. You were in the short and took $40? Yeah. I mean, I think this is reasonable to push lower, but I don't want to just... I hurt myself yesterday by just marketing in and not waiting for the pullback, so... I think we're probably bullish today, but I don't know. We'll see. Maybe that's just wishful thinking. Who knows? Of course, the one time I wait for the pullback, it's just going to go. Just going to go anyway, right? When you wait for the pullback, it just goes. That's your second price target there at the 471.50. So below there's not really much holding this up other than that 50 EMA, to be honest. For it to come down and test this larger trend line, which could be actually a better play anyway. It's actually probably cleaner. Kind of close below the VWAP. You got, you know, 18 points to the first, 33 to the second, 50 to the third. So had we just jumped in, we would have gotten 10 points. Is that the 920? No, it's 918. Story of my life. When I just jump in, it rips against me. When I don't just jump in and I try to be patient, it goes without me. You dirty girl. It's kind of how it works, right? I expect nothing less. Nothing more, nothing less. Oh, you know, I could have just jumped in on an eval, I guess. We could have. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, because 79 entry, that's 14.25 points. What up, Amelia? We were just looking for 15, to be honest. 15 measly points. Now it's bouncing. I'm not even sure that I should be taking this trade here, to be honest, but We'll see. ES kind of has this similar look to it there. Yeah. For sure. Big RTH gap. To the downside, RTH gap probably. I didn't even look. Yeah. 300s, 310s. Yeah. All right, gonna bounce off the 50 here. Good morning, Wayne. We're looking for a little retest up here. Probably maybe a little too aggressive being at the 88. Maybe we should go like something like that. What up, Alyssa? How you doing? Good morning, Wayne. I don't know if I said Wayne or not. Maybe I did. Yeah, I don't really know. We probably don't get tagged in on this. I do think if it breaks back below like that 65 area that we get a decent little push down. VWAP's 431, so maybe we'll go. So we'll see what happens here. We shall see. And Quad Tower, does anyone know if there's a way to combine my stop losses and take profits? With an 18, I'm of 3 contracts in and has a single entry but multiple stop losses that I have to move. Yeah, Jamie, it depends on where you get filled in Quad Tower, right? So if you get filled like at 2 different, if you enter with 3 contracts, but you get, if there's a spread on the field, then you're going to have more than one entry and stop loss to move. But as far as combining them, yes. What you would do is close them out. So you would close your stop loss or entry out. I'll show you here in a moment. And then you will see right here, you will see an SL and a TP button, little squares. So if you click on the SL, you drag it to where you want and drop it. That makes it one stop loss. And same thing with the TP. Click it, drag it, drop it. So, and I'll show you. You should be able to see that once if we get filled here. I don't know if I love taking this trade pre-market here, but obviously we're not in it yet. But we'll see. You got it? All right, cool, Jamie. And you also could just enter and then drag it without a stop loss. All right, here's the 925 candle. This could just tag us in or wreck us. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, that's what we're hoping for, Manny Matt. But we are starting off the day trying to take a trade pre-market, which may not be the best idea. I don't think I'm being unreasonable with it, though. Yeah, it just missed us there. Kind of unfortunate. Yeah, news 10 a.m. It is 2-star. I don't know that Michigan 5-year inflation expectations. So I don't know if I expect too much from it. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see if we get tagged in here. We got 3 minutes till open. We'll cover Mancini's levels right quick while we're waiting. 55.98, 56.15 next, as long as 58 week now holds. We sell to 48.33 below 58. So there you go. And 10 a.m. news today, really the only news we have. Trying to decide on this because we're going to get some real whippy action at open, that's for sure. Which, you know, could tag us in and take us to the promised land, but it also could tag us in and wreck us. So we shall see. What's that, Maxie? Max over there making a little brr. Kind of annoying coming into the open here, the setup forming right there at the open. Came so close to tagging me in there. I am in it over here on an eval, looking for the 35 level, 34. Which honestly, I probably should just be looking for like the 50 area. Probably going to take this order off. I'm okay with staying in it on an eval. So, to the moon. Trader Monk, good morning. Alright, we'll take it off. But this would be your first downside target, second target, third target, fourth target. So we'll see if it runs those at open. Maybe. We shall see. Here we go. 25 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and put my stop in over here on this eval. Needs to just run straight lower here. All right, here's open. And there we go, pushing lower and pushing back up. Gonna probably retest that trend at least. Let's see. Trend line all the way up there at the 501s. Yes, holding up there at the 72. Kind of a mild open. The winner of the giveaway, you volunteers tribute. Oh. Pushing up here. Here comes the retest of that trend. Retest of the trend. Could be an interesting spot right there, really. Yeah, ripping through there. Good thing we did not enter. Well, I might still enter this. Dumps then. Full porting long Bassett. I'm in. All right, looks like we're just going to get our face ripped off. I wonder why my initial balance thing's not working. It's not moving with the open price. I wonder why. That makes no sense. I mean, they say that they're active, but it's not moving up with price. All right, I was going to take that off there for what, 6 points? No, it's actually 9 points. It feels like it's going to go. Is it on the... You think that's probably what it is? It could be, huh? Yeah, there it is. All right, I got you. Because the candle hasn't closed. Look at that. That's interesting. We do have those data highs up there, 600, 788 steel. Wow, to the moon here, straight up. To the moon. Let's go. Nice job, Bassett. Running the overnight high there. ES pushing up there, 55.80. ES a little VWAP bounce there. Got your $100, might as well call it a day. Let's go. I like it. I like it. I should have pushed the button sooner than that. I think it goes here. So we rip into the 70 here. At break even now, up 10 points. Lock some in there. Let's go. Nice first trade on that funded there that we just got. Passed yesterday. So up $385. We'll lock it in. We will lock it in. Just waited for a little pullback there. We look so bullish. So that previous data wick sitting up there, 688. See that there, and then the other one before, the few days before that is 788. So maybe the market actually wants to go clean those out today. Out for 950 on 4 Connies. Let's go. I do, Bassett. I do. I mean, I don't know that we get up to the 788, but it sure looks like that's where it wants, right? We're 200 points below there now. All right, we're going to get off this My Funded Futures account. We're going to switch over to a day traders eval. And if I find a funded trade on my 20 accounts, obviously you guys will know that. All right, let's see. Hit the wrong one. I did end up taking another trade yesterday. Nice little breakout here on the higher time frame. I didn't even see that. So 600's that first data wick right there. Just kind of mark out these peaks. So coming into that 600 level, maybe we can find an entry off this on this eval. Let's see what we need on this eval to do any damage. We're up $1,400 on it. Yeah, for sure bullish. Yes, approaching the 92. So what do? We hit the whole number. We ran that data wick. We're getting a pullback. See if we can find a spot to jump in here. Maybe here. 65. I'm going to jump in there. I'll probably DCA into this. It'll be a little bit aggressive. I'm going to charge it. We'll target like 631 on this one. I think I'll add one more in and target like that 605. I'm going to move the stop up. If we get back above the body of this candle here, kind of the 600 level, I'll move it up then. Get through here like the 597s. I'm going to move the stops up to break even then. I expect a little push up. Dead cat collecting more victims, probably. Maybe didn't quite get the pullback there that I was kind of expecting. 65, I think, makes sense. But might have just got in a little soon there. I could maybe take this off and wait for the deeper pullback. But we'll see if it just goes. Yeah, I probably should have waited for the 65 retest. It makes sense, right? What up, Andy? If you were up 2K in your funded accounts, would you call it a week? Yes. Come on, man. Of course I hate weeks. You know that. Andy, we're doing a giveaway today. You're banned. You're banished. You can't enter. No, I'm just kidding. You're welcome to enter. You are welcome to enter. More than welcome to enter. All right, that's kind of what I was. That was kind of the entry I was wanting to wait for, but I didn't. So now I expect it to go now. Let's see if it can. Rigged. You can't control yourself. You're not going to do it anyway. I hate weeks. Probably. Probably. Yeah, I may just... if this doesn't hold, this account will just blow. We'll see. This account will blow if this doesn't hold. I probably should have exited and re-entered, but I said that out loud and just didn't do it. We said it out loud and we just didn't do it. I'm going to try a little bounce here, though, for a little scalp. Yeah, we're going to blow this account, this eval. Wait for it. Wait for it. Maybe. Can it go? Can it go? Can it go? Come on, rip it up here. Give me a bounce. Give me a bounce. I'm just going to get out of that there. I should have been a little more patient. I should have been just a hair more patient there. I still think it might go here. So we may re-enter, but lighter size, obviously. So we'll get in one here, nothing crazy for the push back up. Have I grabbed Maxi a wife? Nah, he's single. Single for life, bro. Single for life. I guess I should have held that instead of exiting and re-entering. I should have followed the plan and waited for the 60, but you know. So let's see. Maybe we'll scalp it on the way up. We'll see. Come on, man. Can you go? Well, that was a wick test there. It wasn't on the 5-minute. I didn't even see it. Come on, man. I do think we get back above the 90. We can go. There we go. New 5-minute opening here. A little push. Back above those highs. I think we go to the moon. Or something like that. Maybe we get this account back to green here. All right, let's see here if we can get through this high. ES at the 98s. Gotta go now. I want to see it get above 600 here with some strength. Above 600 here, I'm going to go stop to break even. I mean, I probably should lock some in since we're in a trailing drawdown account, but it's a little annoying. Come on, get back above the highs there. We can go above the highs. We will lock in more. We'll lock in the 90 level. Let's get above the highs here. We'll lock in the 90s. Come on, don't pull back. Don't do dirty. Don't do me dirty. I don't know. Hate to be up 30 points there and not take anything, but I think this next push into the 90 will be stronger. Should get the push this time through the 90 if we can get it. If we can retest it. Coming into the macro here too. Come on, man. Hold the pivot. Hold it. Hold it. And we're going to get stopped. Come on, that's rude. You're supposed to be nice, NASDAQ. You're supposed to be nice. That's rude. Come on, just going to stop me out and then rip? And then you're going to make me FOMO back in? Ridiculous. I mean, that's crazy. You guys seeing that? Literally stopped me out there. Oh, man. It's the blood sport. It is. It's going to go now. That's so annoying right there. I mean, just to the tick almost there. 1 point. Comes back. Oh, actually, you know what? I just noticed something. I'm getting back in. We're getting back in. We're going for the 630s. We're going for it. We going for it. I'm just going to keep adding into this. There's another. All right, I think we expand now. I don't really want to see it. I don't know. News about to drop. Yeah, we got 10 minutes. We're going to go for the 100-point banger. We're going to go for the 100-point banger here. Nice job, Tame Tiger. Black Beauty's done. News and the new 4-hour candle, yeah. I think we just go to the moon. I don't know, I could be wrong, but that's what I think. I think we're going to 780s. That's what I think. 780s. is the ticket. We could take this here and be back to break even, but what fun would that be? I think that's where we're going at 8 weeks. I just think we're just going to the moon. So that's why I didn't love that short at open that I was considering taking, or actually I did take it, but I didn't love it because I was thinking we were bullish before the market opened. I was thinking that we were going to have a green day. But I don't know. We'll see. So should you not lock out? No, you should lock out. Big brass balls. Well, just on eval. Eval king. Good luck, Owl Boy. Good luck. Retest the whole number here. We're going to add. Not really getting the reaction off the whole number there that I wanted. Oh, man. One more? All right. Death to us. Feels bad. I'm just going to close my eyes. You guys let me know what happens. Close my eyes. You guys say what happens here. I don't know how much drawdown we even have left on the scout. Not much. Oh. No. No. I'm completely not looking. Oh, darn. Yeah, we didn't. I don't know that we really didn't get a bounce there, but we'll see. ES did pull back there to a pivot point, though, so this is a spot where maybe we can get a bounce. Let's see here. News here in 6 minutes. So close to getting me out of that one contract there. I mean, like a tick away. When you guys are in a trade, you ever move it around to kind of make it look like it's like shorter distance, longer distance? All right, took us out of one of the contracts. Probably going to close it if it gets back below the 90 again. All right, that's a good reaction. Woo! Never any doubt, bro. Never any doubt. I didn't doubt it. Did you guys doubt it? I never doubted it. I never doubted it. 1 minute MACD cross lower. Ooh, little shakedown lower there. Creed never fails. Yeah. Oh goodness. All right, might get stopped out here. Let's see, getting a little twitchy. How much room do I want to give this? We'll give it a little room here, not a ton. I guess 30 points is, you know, kind of is a ton. I mean, I do feel like the stop is the safest down here at the 530s, but that's too far. Haven't won anything in March? Well, it's only March 14th there, guy. It's only March 14th. We are going to be doing the giveaway, guys. We'll do it probably 10:30, something like that. I'll launch it in a few minutes. And then we'll do a 150K Take Profit Trader eval giveaway. And guys, please don't degen the 150K free eval. Trade it like normal and make some money. Yeah, get to pay out. That'd be awesome if I gave away an eval and somebody got it to pay out, right? That'd be awesome. Don't be like Andy and blow it. Oh, wait a second. What if normal is degen? Well, you know. Good morning, Clarity. All right, guys, if you're into trade, got news in 3 minutes. Be aware. Be aware or beware? I don't know. One or the other. I'm not sure. I don't know. Be aware or beware? It would be nice if this is back above the high. I don't love that this thing kind of failed to make a new high there. Right here on this push. ES actually did make a new high and we did not. It's with Take Profit Trader. I hate weeks. So we do have a bearish SMT here. So this could just take us down. Really should have my stop down here. That would be below the 50 EMA. But I don't know that I wanted to, if I want to move it down there though, because this could very well, like I said, this could very well just dump. Anything back to 40 you're buying? You remember your first payout was from PW evals giveaway? Trash. No, I'm just kidding. Trash. Now this kind of looks like it's going down here. I'm hodling. We're hodling. It could be the death of this account. If so, I blame you guys, but it's fine. We'll try 50 bounce for an average in. Psych level, 50 bounce. Husk is short. That son of a biscuit eater. Yeah, of course he is. We broke this trend line. Oh, duo live stream. Nah, Patrick doesn't know who I am. I did send Patrick an email about trading at the BDH, so we'll see. We'll see. Got 1 minute till news. All right, we need this to get wrecked. We sweep liquidity, right? We deliver from this gap, and then this gets wrecked. All right, no 50 hold. Really? Come on, 50, you got to hold. Full port. Port of fulls. It's either going to work or it's not here. Very low on drawdown, so if this doesn't bounce right here, right now, we're dead. It's got to rip right now. Okay, out of those. Rip it! 7 seconds until news. We're going to hold. Okay, that's not the direction we wanted it to go. So rude. So, rude. Yes, back down to the VWAP there. Wicking through the 69 area. No real wick on the top of that candle there. holding that 5-minute trend line too for now. Nice push lower. Impeccable. Short from 19603. Look at the 4-hour rejection block. Midpoint of the wick from Thursday 6 a.m. If the high is in, then the previous 4-hour candle midpoint will act as resistance. Nice. Nice. Great job. Great job. 603. That's pretty good rejection. Well, we also put on a lower high here. Kind of easy to read there, right? But I don't know. I was just thinking, maybe we go higher, maybe we don't. So we swept that opening print. So probably pretty decent to think that we might move back up here. But we do have that 1 minute kind of data low down there at 436. No, I don't. Steam. What up, Yoma? I don't know how much drawdown we have on this at all. So, not much. Yeah. I knew it wasn't much. Guys, why are we degenning? What's wrong with us? We got problems over here. We're not doing it on fundeds, at least. Bulenox has still not received my funds, or removed my funds. It would be nice if they did. So we could trade that. I open up another My Funded Futures eval. That might keep us a little more grounded on it. Now, this is a solid setup here, guys. This is pretty good. $25 points. Break even's 24.5 points away. Let me see. I mean, this looks interesting, right? You do have this wick down here, though, is the problem. I do think this is funded account worthy here. Nothing funded yet, yo. I'm about to, though. What up, Marcin? Took 2 10-point trades. Nice. Tap that 50 EMA there. Kind of a Harami. Well, not really. 5 minute. Getting some data latency over here, too. Yeah, fish lips. I'm looking for a little long play here. Up 400 each account. Let's go. Nice job, Yoma. All right, I'm in. Looking for the 61 area for my stop to go break even. Stop to break even. Runner still in. Locking in 22. All right, out there. Out there, guys. Out there. Let's go. Did you guys notice that I'm going half size now? So that's only 3 micros. And I got a wider stop. 60 points. Still a nice 30-plus point trade. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's the way you like it. That's the way you like it. 194 points on micros. Dang, let's go. 120, yeah. That was an A setup in my opinion. Like, normally, I might look at this data low to be taken, but does anything about this look bearish? Like, that's what you have to ask yourself. Does anything about this candle look bearish? No. And then look at your 5-minute. Big hammer candle on the 5-minute. I mean, this is bullish as hell. Held the 5-minute trend line. So to me, kind of an easy read there, in my opinion. So entry there, nice 38-point push up. Yeah. Can't get much better than that. Option 2, Alexi. Let's see what the option 2s are right now. Option 2, let's see. 45% off. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Okay, option 2 is actually 75% off, guys. So 75% off option 2s. That's actually not a bad deal. So all sizes, option 2, 10,000, 25,000, and 50,000. I don't go above the 50K on the option 2, but 75% off using code MM on option 2. That's probably a better deal than option 1, to be honest. So, yeah, I think 75% off is pretty good. 100 points clarity. Let's go. How much is that 50K? It's going to be like 30 bucks. No, wait. It's going to be like $35. Let me look. I'll try it. Let me see here. Option 2 for the 50K. Let's see how much it is. Nope. Let me just do it this way. It's $43 for that account. For the 50K. $43 for the 50K, $36 for the 25 for the option 2. That is end of day drawdown, and you get $2,500 in drawdown. There is an $1,100 daily loss limit, so keep that in mind. So, yeah, and then your activation fee is going to be $148. So, and there's that close back below. You could target this data low down here, but I'm not going to. All right, let's fire up the giveaway, guys. Let's fire up the giveaway. Husk faded me earlier, huh? That dirty dog over there trying to fade me. Giveaways. So we're going to be giving away a 150K Take Profit Trader account here. Let me edit the giveaway here to say 150K. Now, important to note on these giveaway accounts, something that I did not know before. If you do pass these, you are still subject to paying the $130 activation fee. Yeah, the daily loss limit is, John. But if you're down $1,000 at the end of the day, you're probably going to blow the account if you keep trading. So, giveaway, did it just start? Did it start? Okay, there it is. Yeah, it started. Exclamation point cash in the giveaway in the chat there, even though we're not giving away cash. You get what I'm saying? No, Wayne, you didn't win. We just started it. So you do still have to pay the activation fee here on that, but I still think it's worth it for a free account, right? Yeah, that's the reason why I trailed that runner there a little bit, just because, you know, I didn't really think it was going to go that far. Exclamation point cash in the chat if you want a chance to win here. This 2-minute short did trigger here. I'm watching it over here. I'm not taking it because I just took the long, but I do think this is an A setup as well. We pushed back up into trying to move that. Goodness gracious. Kind of tapped up into this fair value gap. We swept, didn't really sweep liquidity on that push up. But you have a data wick below, so this is a very good setup, right, to that data wick. So you can see pushed up into that fair value gap. That's where I went break even. Nice bearish candle back below. The retest would have been the entry there. And then shot at 90 points here down to the 436. Sorry, I was trying to do the giveaway, guys. Otherwise, I would have outlined that for you, but I assume you guys are watching this too. So 5-minute trend line break, yeah, indeed it is. Now, I don't hate this 5-minute trend line break. If we leave that data low down there, the only thing I would say, I don't know, looks okay. I don't know if it gets to there first, we'll see. Look at the previous 4-hour candle, top wick's midpoint as a resistance. Yeah, impeccable. I get you. I do look at the higher time frame, but I don't use it as much as I should to structure my trades. I always structure trades on like a little bit of on the smaller time frame. So now your stop to break even will be back below that wick. Man, I am tempted to take this over here on the My Funded Futures, even though we already took a winner. Do I take that? I don't know, man. It's not really closing below. All right, I'm gonna take it. Where's the data wicks? 36.75. Wow, that's not what we want to see. Right there into the VWAP. Yeah, that was a dirty close. Yeah, it is a short setup there, Coper. $436.75. Kind of watching here. Need to see it push lower here. Getting a bounce. That's no bueno. No bueno. $437. Kind of bouncing there off that 470s. Holding up here at the VWAP. I don't remember what that white line is. ES also at the VWAP here. If it gets through there, this thing could go. All right, I want to see this thing push back below 463s here. I think that's, I mean, that's a good break-even spot, right? You could even scale there. So I kind of want to see it get back below the 462 here in order to get to break even, maybe even scale. Kind of holding up there. So many lines on my chart here. Well, this thing is really putting me through something over here. Needs to get back below that 62 so we can get to break even here. If it doesn't do it soon, I may just get out of this. If I qualify for an eval take profit trader in the 4 days, can I flip? Yeah, you can. You can flip any days once you hit the target. Yeah, it's not a great idea, Jan. For me, it could end bad for sure. I'm literally short 6 points below VWAP there, 482. So I'm going to probably give it to like 510, 515, and I'll just get out. Eat the loss if it gets up there. I do think we get a big candle if it does break here, though. So, if it breaks. I'm currently short over here on one account, guys. Show you I'm not telling a story. This is where I'm short from. I probably should just take profit at the 62s, to be honest. Come on, bro. I think we get a big candle through there. I'm just going to take some profit here, guys. I think. All right, there we go. I think we get a big candle now. I want to see it run. It needs to expand. Needs to expand quickly here. All right, just taking it off. It's fine. That one kind of had the butt cheeks clenched a little bit. This should be your target right here, obviously. And anything below that, I'm not sure. But I would go break even if you entered at the anywhere in the 80s here, I'd go break even. Or maybe you could put your stop right here at this 95 area. Should be safe there. But I think this gets hit. I just we were a little clinched. Oh. Up 3K now. Uh-oh. Come on, I hate weeks. Don't do it. Without the clean close. Well, even without the close on the 5-minute, this is still, if we look here, we're on the 5-minute chart, right? What happened here? So it's still an inversion, right? We close below, and it's an inverse on the 2-minute with your entry being at 499. So I was in at 482, which was a bit lower, but I thought it would at least touch. So let's move this over here. On the 2-minute chart, which is where the trade actually structured off of, your stop to break even, if you took the retest, which is what I would have done because this closed too far below, your stop would be at break even anyway. But even if you took the entry on this close, then you would have still had a winning trade. I mean, it was 52 points and then pulled back and stop your runner out. So I do think it goes, I think this is a good target. Below that, I don't really know. You're locking out? Okay, let's see. What happens if you pass the 30% rule on Apex PA? So Alfred, all you do is you take your biggest single winning day and you divide it by 0.30, and that will tell you the total amount of profit that you need to get to payout. Pretty simple. 1,000 contracts at 549. Nice. I'm assuming you meant 459. I still think this moves lower, at least maybe to that data low, but it may not. May just put in a little higher low here, manipulate back above, and go. But that's why you follow the rules on the stop loss, right? You see, that's why I trailed so hard. It's like in any market, in any like reasonable, logical market, should we stop here? No. We should blast right through there. So when we stop there and we bounce, that's just the kind of market that we're in, right? It's not for the faint of heart. Targets are not getting hit on the first opportunity. We've talked about this many times. Targets just are not getting hit on the first opportunity there. So that being said, we did lock in our payout there, or not payout. We locked in this trade. Not a huge trade. I mean, $160, $180, nothing crazy. So we are officially up on the week, $50 or $60. These accounts started on Monday. We're just break even on that one. So you can see, and then, yeah. So we're break even on the week. Down maybe, we're probably only up 40 or 50 bucks. But I'm going to consider that a successful week, and I will not be taking any more trades on the funded accounts. What up, Mr. Joseph? Is everybody in the giveaway? Let's see how many people are in the giveaway right now. 36 people. We got 98 people watching. Guys, you don't have to buy anything with Take Profit Trader. You simply have to create an account, even if you're not using them. You can create a username and a password, and I can give you the free account to trade. You can trade it on Quantower, Trade of 8, Ninja. They have Trade of 8, right? I think they do. I think so. Pretty sure. Yeah, they do. You can trade it on any of the platforms. Only if you pass it will you have to pay the $150 or $130 activation fee. So no reason not to enter the giveaway here, guys. Could win a $150K free account. If anything, use it for practice if you don't want to activate it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and resume entries one more time here. Hold on. Oops. What's going on here? I got to resume the entries. Hold on one second. The timer just went off. There we go. Let's resume the entries. We're going to do the giveaway in 4 minutes at 10:30. So exclamation point cash in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway for the free 150K Take Profit Trader account. If you're just joining us, we're up about 175 on 24 accounts. And then the My Funded Futures were up 516 day one on that funded account there. We did blow, you know, full transparency here. We don't hide anything. We don't hide it. We did blow these two day trader accounts. I don't know. I seem to be cursed with them. I can't pass any of those. I'm too degen with those accounts. I'm too degen. So the degeneracy is too large. So we're going to do the giveaway here at 10:30 a.m. So you got about 2 more minutes to get in there. 2 minutes and 43 seconds to be exact. So pushing back below the VWAP. See the retest of the inverse there. So the price just want to come back up, stop you out. Now it runs the data low, probably, right? That looks quite clean on this pushback down. There might have been a 30-second re-entry there. Let me see. Was there? Yeah, there was. Not that clean though, to be honest. Not that clean on it. Hey, Althea Lineator, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. All right, guys, you got a couple of minutes here. Get into the giveaway. Exclamation point cash in the chat. We've got 103 people watching. We've only got 49 people in the giveaway. So 5 minute is about to break structure. That kind of is interesting. I don't like that we found a lot of support here, though. We're kind of like not really pushing through there, right? Maybe if the 5 minute break structure and closes below. Yeah, it's bouncing already. May not. It may not. Let's check on Husk and see what he's up to over there. See what that slacker's up to. Looks like Husk is currently in a short as well. Yes. And he's over there puckered. It should go here, especially if the 5 minute closes below kind of the 485. If it can, happy to be here, Althea. Appreciate you. We are happy to have you here. All right, 5 minutes is going to break structure. 20 seconds left on this candle. Man, I am tempted to re-enter this on my Funded Futures account, but I don't think it would be too smart to do it. I think we get the push down into the 436 this time. So here's the break of structure on the 5 minute. So there's the break of structure as soon as this closes. And then I expect a quick run into the 36 here. You want to see it stay below this trend line now, really. The only issue here is the ES is still above the VWAP. Need that ES to break that VWAP for this to really get a little waterfall going. A little waterfall action. All right, retesting here. ES holding that VWAP strong here. I want to see how this trade plays out here. Then we'll do the giveaway in a moment. It's not really the reaction you want here. If it closes back into the trend, then that's going to be the stop out. It's a pretty big candle already. ES held that VWAP and it's just going. Wow. I got to get my initial balance fixed on the ES too. That thing's not working right either. All right, initial balance is set here down there at the 436, down there at the wick. That's initial balance low now. I was kind of expecting that to go ahead and go. All right, guys, we're about to close the entries. If you're not in, exclamation point cash in the chat. You got a few more seconds here before I close it down. Look like we're in a triangle consolidation. Yeah, I don't know. It's not. I'm glad to be done. Let's be honest. All right, Ben Trades jumping in last second. So if Ben Trades wins, we know that it's rigged. TCG Andy jumping in last second. We know it's rigged. If he jumps in, if he wins. That's crazy. So just a trap below there. Trap the shorts for this push to go back up. KFA jumping in last second. These people always turn their homework in the next day. They didn't turn it in when it was due. All these people just now jumping in. You have to mess with it to fix it. Yeah, I hate that, John. I'm going to have to delete them. I hate weeks. We're doing a giveaway, 150K Take Profit Trader account. If you want in there, exclamation point cash now. I'm about to end it in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I'm counting very slow. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's over, and the winner is, just that fast, Pad 5 Tablet. Pad 5 Tablet, are you here? Make yourself known or forever give up the account. You now have 5 minutes to make yourself known. If I win, you might as well burn the ticket. There's Pad 5 Tablet. All right, Pad 5 Tablet. Send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com right now, please. And if you don't have your Take Profit Trader email yet, that's okay. If you do have it, include it in the email. But I want you to send me an email with a screenshot of your YouTube channel. So basically, hover over your name, your little picture in the top right-hand corner. Click it, hover over it, whatever. Screenshot it, send it to me. Let me know once you send the email. That way we can verify you through Streamlabs. Oh, and we'll get that over to you. Now, just so you know, Pad 5, Take Profit Trader, if I send it over to them today, it might be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday before they send you the credit to your account. I will email you back once they send you the credit, and then you can activate the account. Basically, you go through the process just like you're buying the account. You'll see a section under where you pay at. You'll see a section that says credits, and you'll have the credit in there for the 150K account once they fix it, once they give it to you. You taking it off your chart, so get out of your way. Uh-oh. All right, have a great week too there. I hate weeks. We did close back above that 5 minute, which is kind of sad. This is just, we're getting into that time of day already. I mean, very early on a Friday, right? 10:30, where it's just not logical anymore, right? So we did close back above there. But let me know once you send the email. That way we can verify you. Oh. Wish I would have went 6 micros with that trade there. Would have been up 300 and something dollars. But hindsight's 2020, right? You're going to the gym. We'll check back in a few hours. All right, cool. Appreciate you, Mr. Joseph. Yeah, I don't know how long today we'll sit here and stare at this. I was thinking about getting a My Funded Futures eval. So I tend to trade those a little better. I did pass one of those yesterday. Kind of on this move here. Yesterday afternoon on this move here, I passed the Take Profit Trader on this move up. I got in right here, and I held it for like 80 points. Yeah, right up into there to pass. Sadly, I also took this trade on my funded accounts, and what was it? I think on the funded accounts I got in, I think the close was up here on the funded 62 or 63 area. As you can see, we got this pullback. It shook me out. I took a loss, and then I re-entered 2 or 3 times. Basically ended up break even on that trade, even though I was up freaking, 80 points on the eval. Sucks. But we are ending the week green, very small green, but, whatever, 50, 60 bucks. Green is green, right? Sent email, Pat. Thank you. Let's check the email here so we can verify. All right, let's see here. All right, sorry, I was reading another email. Okay, so Pad, verify for me the what could we have you verify here? What email service is your email through? Pad 5, what email service is your email through? Boom, boom, boom. You're done for the day too, Tame Tiger? Nice. Hopefully green. Hopefully you're green. Everybody green today? Look at this thing go, guys. Just tried to manipulate lower, and now it's just ripping higher. I guess in hindsight, ES never really got back below that VWAP there. This thing is just going. This is very bullish here. I'm not jumping in, though, but it is very, very bullish looking. Wow, there was an inside bar there on the 5-minute chart. Actually, back-to-back inside bars. 583 looks kind of juicy up there. Some guys verify by replying to email with a PIN code, which I can retype here. Oh, yeah, I guess we can do that. A PIN code. All right, I got you. Here's the PIN code. It's a very special PIN code. Okay. Let's see here. I don't really know. That's a good idea. Never thought of that. Never thought about that. Oh, let's go. Great idea, Pad, though. I'll use that from now on. Send a pin. That'll make it easier. Just don't want to give the account to the wrong person, you know? The PIN code. I don't know, Alfred. There we go. Let's make sure he's got it. Let's make sure it's him. Is it him? Oh, it's him. See, this is how I verify through the Scream Labs. See if it's you typing in the chat. There we go. All right, I'll get that sent over to you. Ooh, this is interesting. We'll get that email sent over today. I think so, Marson. I do think it is. That is today. And this looks like a decent spot to maybe long, but I ain't gonna. Retest of this open down here at maybe the 21s. That's also where that 9 EMA is on the 5 minute. See if we bounce here. Just curious. Did we get 10 points off this level? 10 or even 15? Nope. Selling. Oh, I bet it's going down here for the 512s. Yeah. We need the 532s for it to give 10 points there. Let's see. Just curious. There it is. So yeah, you would have got 10 points off the 9. You would have took some drawdown. But you had that 5 minute wick test there, or untested wick on the 5 minute at 511 or 512 area. Nice bounce out of there. Yeah. Anybody seen any news from Apex yet? I wonder if they're gonna. Somebody was in my Discord saying that they think that they'll drop 90%. I don't know. Let me see what the current sale even is. I think it's going to be 50%. Let me try to use. Let me just see. Certainly not worth buying an account at 50%, I would say, unless you just absolutely have to. Just if you got any that are failed, let those reset at 80%. Or if you blow a funded account, they do give you a 80% reset code. Yeah, so 50% is what it is right now. There's the nice push higher there. Probably actually was probably a nice setup on the 30-second chart here. I probably missed it. Yeah, this was pretty decent. Sweep of liquidity here. Delivery from gap. Nice 30-second inverse there. Close above here. Stop to break even at the high. 11 points. That's a pretty good setup. I did not see it in time. Actually, there's no real sweep of liquidity here. It's the only thing. So it's an A setup just because there's no sweep. Similar setup on the 1 minute. It's just too small to really even consider. Or this could have been like a 2022 model. You could have like just bought. You do have a shift in structure here on the way up. It did trade back into this fair value gap here. Could have just longed out of that blindly, but it's not how I typically do it. 50 points up though. Yeah, we're at 50% now, yeah. But we were discounting the range on the pullback. Kind of a tight range today. I don't know, unless my eyes are deceiving me here. They might be. Yeah, 185 points. Like, that's not a very big range at all. We have bigger overnight ranges than that. What was the overnight range? How come I'm not seeing the... Okay, there it is. Yeah, I mean, the overnight range was 153 points. We are above the overnight highs. So kind of pushing back up. We have the previous data wick up there at 788.75. I wouldn't be surprised if we end up here by the end of the day. So in fact, this is what we're going to do. Tom Sabo guarantee. All right. Or And you know Tom, he takes a bath. He's not a guy that showers. He's the kind of guy that sits down in the tub and takes a bath, you know? There we go. Tom Sabo guarantee up there at the 788, or he drinks his bath water. And this really isn't a punishment because this is something that Tom probably does on the regular basis. Yeah, exactly, Marson. Tom will drink his bath water. Like I said, he probably does that every day anyway. You had an uncle who did that? Very strange. He took baths or he drunk his bath water? Which one, Mr. Joseph? There's two different levels of strange to that comment. Either he was strange because he took baths or he drunk his bath water. I don't know which. If you guys didn't know, Husk, he likes to bite his toenails. He gets those toenails up there and he bites them off. Yeah, it's hard to move. 1%. We'll see, Jan. See, Husk says he's too fat to get his toes in his mouth. I don't know. I've seen him at the beach. You're calling TMZ? Get him on the phone. Mr. Joseph, just taking baths as an adult man is strange. Yeah. That is a little bit strange. That is a little strange. I think I've only taken one bath. I can remember the last bath that I took where I sat down in the tub and took a bath. That was, that's been like 6 or 7 years ago. I don't even remember why I did it. I don't know. I think my back was hurting or something. I was like, I want to slay in some hot water. You know, you lay in the tub, you're like, man, I'm fat. Unless Trump tweets something, yeah. All right, let me send that account over to Pad 5. Pad 5, is this the email you're using? I'm assuming this is the email you're going to use. You've been in a bathtub, but it wasn't relaxing. I was taking care of other things. I don't know what you're talking about. You have to go into more detail. I have no idea what you're talking about. We did win our scrimmage game last night, guys. We scrimmaged another team. We won 10-4. We used a 3-run rule per inning. So we scored 3 runs in 3 of the innings, and then 1 inning we only scored 1. So we won 10-4. Code MM, let's go, Pine Tree. Thank you. Ped had his oil new wells, has another upgrade. Interesting. Pine Tree, you streaming today? I didn't see you on. You're probably already done. Yeah, it's a pretty good trading days. Do I have a stacked team? It's pretty good. I think the team's pretty good, but I don't know if it's stacked, but it's not bad. Well, I also did pitch a pitch. I pitched a different pitcher in every inning, and we're not going to do that in the season, right? I'm going to pitch one pitcher will pitch 2 or 3 innings, and then you'll bring another one in. But I did pitch. We pitched a different pitcher in every inning, so. And one of them he hasn't pitched. I don't want to say he's never pitched, but he hasn't pitched in several years. And he got a little flustered, couple walks, couple wild pitches, but he ended up getting out of the inning. He did all right. So, plus 2,300 could be minus 2,300 at the end of the day. Let's not do that, Marcin. Just lock it out. Pine Tree getting lazy over there, Black Beauty says. Man. He's making all that money getting lazy over there. Getting all those payouts. Pine Tree, I'm going to start up my live account on Monday too. I'm going to replenish it this weekend, but I'm going to start it with a small amount. I might even just go $500. I don't know. And we may just go 1 micro for 30 points. $60 times 5 days, assuming we win all 5. It's $300. Let's say we win 4 and we lose 1. That's $180. So, I think. No, that's wrong. Math is hard. That's $240. No, that's not wrong. That is $180. Yeah, so if you win 4 at $60 a day, that's $240, but then you got to minus the loss of $60. Yeah, it is $180. Math is hard. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Math is hard. What's Nutty looking like today? Not bad. All right, we're getting a little pullback here. Oh, Tom is still alive. Nutty looks Stan, yeah. He went to the tanning bed. He said he was going to the tanning bed and then he didn't like it, so he started getting a spray tan. He didn't want me to tell anybody, but you know how we do. We can't keep our mouths shut, so. Holy cow, look at the young Tom Sabo here. Look at the young Tom Sabo. I'm not going to say what he looks like, but what is he doing here? A young Tom Sabo. Yeah, he's got to look good in the Speedo, you're right. Just in case somebody tries to eat it. He looks like a Mexican drug lord. Probably more like cocaine drug lord. Oh, poor Tom. I can't get the chat to pull up on his thing. Let me try to refresh it one more time. Why is the chat not pulling up? Why is the chat not? Did he disable the chat? Chilling with the brother, something. Real Mennonites who get spray tans accentuate their farmer's tan lines. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Obviously, he didn't get a... Obviously, Nutty didn't get a spray tan. I don't guess. Maybe he did. I have no information. Wasn't out of this morning at 10. I have no idea if it was good or bad. I do not pay attention to that. Maybe I should, but I don't. I simply trade what the market gives me. I don't care if the news is good or bad. So, I don't really know if it was good or bad. Nutty's in a long here. Yoji, yeah. Did you guys watch? And I'm not picking on Kellyanne here, but that last video that she posted was straight clickbait. I was like, yeah, buddy, I'm gonna watch this. Let's see what Kellyanne made. Let's see what she made on her YouTube channel. And then she didn't even tell us. I was like, that's rude. I thought she was gonna, really drop the number there. She didn't do it. She said, no, I'm not able to tell you. She can tell you the number. She just can't tell us like what individual props paid her, but she can tell you the number. See, like, this is what her thumbnail says. My affiliate income exposed. Exposed! I thought that means she was going to tell us what it was. I'm going to have to send her a message. She got me. She got me! No, I don't buy stocks at all, Michael Benny. I only trade futures. She did get me to watch the whole video, so the thumbnail did its job. I'm going to give her that one. At the end of the video, I was like, really? You're not even going to tell us what the affiliate income is? I was curious. I wanted to know. I know she makes good money, but we didn't get told. What's that, Maxie? You wanted to know what it was too? Maxie wanted to know too. I could probably just ask her. She'd probably tell me. Sometimes my feelings get hurt, though. I'm like, man, these guys over here killing it. Killing it. I'm no hater. Don't hate the hater, hate the game. Uh-oh, Tom Sabo guarantee getting closer, guys. Tom Sabo guarantee. Man, do we risk some of our profits here for a little retest? I might take this initial balance retest. We'll see. It needs to close full, though. $6.21. Oh, yeah, I think she makes a lot, too, but I don't know. I don't know for sure. Just what she's told. Ain't mad at her. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to take this retest. That close is wasn't good enough. That close wasn't good enough to me to take. Needed to close kind of up here at the 33, 34 area. Yeah, I mean, a pullback here kind of makes sense. ES did not get above initial balance highs. Did it? Hold on. Yeah, it did. See, I hate how it's not marking that out on my chart. What I might do is shape the long that I might take here off the ES. Let's see. All right, I'll try it. I'm going to try it here. We will try it. You think the ego is too lame for all the online fighting, everybody wanting to prove something? Yeah, that's crazy. The blame game. I'm going to try it. I don't love it, but I'm going to try it. I mean, that literally was the retest there, and it bounced. I tried to get a one tick lower, and I think that just cost me the entry. So that cost me the entry because that was literally the retest to the tick there. The low of this candle was 21. Yeah, normally I front run it by a tick or two, but don't know if I want to take it now. I don't know. I don't know if it's worth taking. The thing about those arguments and stuff, though, Black Beauty, that's what people watch. I mean, it really is, and that's what grows channels. You can see I'm not involved in any of that BS ever, and my channel has kind of been stagnant here between 6 and 7K for quite a while. But I just don't get involved in that stuff. You're hoping she gets out of there? I don't either, Black Beauty, to be honest. I'm like, I don't understand it. Tom Sabo guarantee still sitting up there. Oh, yeah, he did, Maine. Well done for the day on the pull up. Itching back to get my PAs going again. Yeah. Yeah, the My Fun of Futures, those live ones, I don't understand the draw of that, but Nutty cosign, we got mad with more molester. Yeah, I did see that. Yeah, no. I think Patrick donated, what, like 10K to Nutty's channel or something like that, though, didn't he? If I remember correctly, is that right? I know it was at least 5. I thought he did 2 different 5K donations, but I'm not sure. Mo Lester donated $200 to your stream. Nice. So, yeah, I know he donated 5K once, and then another time I thought he donated more, but I'm not sure. Where's the 9 at? 618. All right, I'm going to try this. Probably a bad idea at this point, but I'm going to try it anyway. I will not be shocked if this just gets ripped through. I just can't get in at that 2050 area. It's just not coming back. Start a fake fight with Huff for the stream. Husk? Those were Canadian dollars? Maybe. Oh, goodness. I just cannot get in. Like, you know what's going to happen when it finally tags me in? It's going to be like the dump. It's going to be the dump. Yeah, I just can't start. I don't know, man. I'm just weird like that. I've talked about it several times where I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to do it. I'm going to go after somebody. It's just not in me. I don't know. I don't care enough to do that stuff. All right, if this loses, we're still up $350. So, like, it's not kind of free rolling here. If it wins, we're up 7 something. He's beholden to Pat. Yeah, kind of. I guess. I guess Patrick's over there befriending ICT now, too. All right, are we going to get tagged in this time? I don't know. What up, Sherry? Doing good today. You did all green and done for the day. Nice job. I don't know, Amelia. ICT's posted a couple things on Twitter that have been friendly. He's been sending people over to Patrick's streams. Oh, yeah, also Rips, too, yeah. Yeah, Patrick does that on purpose. He really does. He does it on purpose. Oh, Pine Tree, did you take this Harami on the 5-minute? I just saw it. So, well, your entry would have been here, and then your take profit would have been the body of that candle there, right? I just noticed that. 10 points. Is that a Harami if it didn't close inside the body? Does that still count? You haven't blocked Mad Moxie? Yeah. You would watch it if ICT was on? DT said they were data issues, but yours is working fine. I haven't traded mine today. Oh, Day Trader said that? Maybe they'll reset mine. I blew 2 of them. Now algorithm is buying. Oh, we're in. Come on, bounce it. Bounce it. Give me my 10, bro. Oh, you dirty girl. Oh, did I take the stop off? What happened there? That's rude. What happened there? Still up 310. Bro! Bruh. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see if they reset it. That's annoying. I'm getting back in. Come on now. Come on now, give it to me. Probably should have just taken my 7 or 8 points there, but Just going to take it off break even there. Not going to allow that to come back on me. That sucks. Maybe I should have just taken my 7 or 8 points. It probably still goes. So, Elite Trader funding $700 for an activation fee. That's crazy. Yeah, that's a lot. Oh yeah, Amelia. Probably goes. That's all right. I'm annoyed. I'm a little annoyed with that back and forth there. I mean, we lost a couple $100 in that, but I don't know, that dip. I mean, it does kind of make sense, right? But it just didn't get us a couple times in that. I kind of figured that probably would happen. Dun, dun, dun. It looks like it's going to go. If we fail to kind of make a new high here, then that's going to be concerning for the bulls short term there. It looks like maybe a pull back into the 580 might make sense here. 582. Psych level bounce. $600 psych level bounce there. Push through the 21 here. Do we test the 80? Oh, it's a full moon. Do we hold here? What's the question? That failure to make a new high there is concerning. I'm considering shorting into the 680 or 580. It's a hard day. Up $39.95 on a personal. Let's go. No, you don't have to get it over 4K, Pine Tree. Don't be crazy. Do not be cray-cray. No be cray-cray. 3995 is perfect. Perfect, I tell you. Now, Pine Tree, is this a Harami candle on the 5-minute with the big wick on top? Is that still considered a Harami or no? Is that Pine Tree? I don't know. You know, tell me. Well, I'm hoping that it is anyway, because I took it. It is, but not your setup because you take the break. I look for the previous candle high. That's what I'm doing. You're talking about the break above the high. Gonna trail tight. Get up there! Oh, it didn't work. Oh. You think it goes? Yeah, I kind of do too. That's why I took it. But we're up 490 on that account again after losing. So 500 a day is kind of my goal on those. I mean, I don't know. I thought it looked. I was like, I mean, it definitely looks bullish, right? The only thing I was unsure of is this wick here. Doesn't matter if there's a wick there. So the target would be the body of that candle there, right? Already kind of. It will reach 693. I think it goes higher than that, W trades. What up, Vince? Pine Tree, why didn't you tell me to hold that? I try to yell at it like Jay does, but it never works for me. It never works. You know now that I'm out, it's going to hit. And there's the target. Rude. Rude. Would have been a 20-point winner. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. Look here. We got the Tom Sabo guarantee up there at 788 W trades. It's going to 788 or Tom Sabo. Let's make this a little cleaner. That red's not quite. White probably is best, huh? Yeah, it's clean. Or Tom Sabo drinks his bathwater. Tom Sabo guarantee by the end of the day, all the way up here, or he drinks his bathwater. I actually think it does hit. I really do. That to me seems like the draw because if you scroll back, that is a data wick from the 12th. Was that Tuesday, I think? The 8:30 data wick from the 12th. So I think that's where we're going. So it's a Friday. It's just a retracement to the end of the week. Next week we're going to even lower. Maybe. Yeah, it could be. Bulenox 2 JP. 2 flipping days. Boom, 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 boom. 2 out of 10. Yes, Yoji. I could just get long right now and just hold it to the 788. What do you think? Is that a good idea? Nick, you're late. You're late. We already did the giveaway. We already did it. Oh, oh. Guys, it's going right here. Let me show you all you need to get it there. This is all you need. You need a big pair of huevos, and it'll go. Can't just jump in here and hold. Can't do it. Just a few more trades days. No, don't do it, Yoji. Don't do it. Oh, you had a fortunate morning? Nice. What happened? Dun, 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 dun. Don't look, Amelia. That's right. So support is the bottom of the sack. Yes, Market Frog. Exactly. Bottom of the sack. That's what you need. You just need a couple of big boys, and you can hold to the 788. I guess one thing to pay attention to is, has the ES ran that data high? And it has not. So it has to go to 5675. So ES has like 40, almost 50 more points to go to get there. Took 2 trades after 10:30, once price reverse. Let's go. Let's go. Nice job. Nice job. Guys, take profit trader still 30% off. No activation fee. Apex is now 50% off. Bulenox 75% off option 1 and option 2. My funded futures, no real sell. 25% off the 1-step or 2-step to live there, I think. Tradeify 35% off all 50K accounts. Tick direct. I don't know what their sell is. Day traders is what, 80% off. Yeah. That's kind of the rundown. We are going to sign up for more prop firms over the weekend. We're going to get codes with everybody because you guys said I need to become a prop firm. What's the word? I don't know what the word is. I can't say those words. A prop firm hoe. You guys voted. I took a vote. Everyone voted. Said do it. So that's what we're going to do. We'll pick up the new codes over the weekend. Whether you want to use them or not, that's up to you. But they'll be in the description. They'll be in the description. A gigolo. 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 Yeah. Is it spelled G-I-G? Is that how it's spelled? Deuce Bigelow. Male gigolo. That movie was funny. That movie's, I mean, it's obviously like obnoxiously funny. Obnoxiously funny. I guess maybe that is how it's, I think you spelled it right. I think so. Feudal Friday, says Trader Oracle. Over the past 52 weeks, the most algorithm purchasing was 81% today. Interesting. Maybe. Oh, wait. No. Maybe we'll be. I don't know. I'm not having any issues, Fish Lips. I'm only taking the 1 trade on Ninja. It executed fine today, I believe. Actually, kind of annoyed me yesterday because the copier, I'll show you guys. This account right here, these 2 accounts down here, this one and this one, the copier did not copy on yesterday. It was kind of annoying, so I ended up being down like $400 on those 2, and everything else was down like 150 after that last trade I took. So I took 2 more trades. One ended up being a loser, one ended up being a winner. But you see, we're starting off next week pretty much right where we started this week on these accounts. They're all right around 50K. And then these, you know, some form of profit on each of them. Hopefully next week we can manage things a little better and have a better week. Not a horrible week. We ended up plus $50 on each account. Not what we hoped for, but that's what we'll take. It's quite all right. Man, Pine Tree, I can't believe you didn't tell me to hold that Harami trade, man. Look at that. This is the entry that I had. Pine Tree scared me. That was my entry. We're up 50 points. Pine Tree, that's rude. Very rude. Can't believe you would do that. Might get a bounce here off the 36 level now. Last time I'm listening to Pine Tree. So rude. Should bounce here. Little check mark. Hitarami to Tom guarantee. Right. Exactly. Nice bounce off the 36 there. Hitarami to Tom Sabo's bathwater. The bathwater's in play, guys. If you don't know what we're talking about, it's up there at 788. Let me send this picture to Tom since his chat wouldn't come up. I don't know why his chat wouldn't come up. Let's send it to Tom. Let's direct message Tom so he can see what we're working with. Get out of here. Tom Sabo guarantee in effect. Chat didn't accept my Hungarian pesos as payment. Must not. It wouldn't let me pull it up. I don't know why. Listening to Spotify. What is going on over here on X? Some sort of drama as usual. Hey, Pine Tree gifted 5 methodical memberships. Who's going to be the lucky receiver of the memberships? You, the man, Pine Tree. We got mainly trades. Frank, Visible ID, Treff, and Zach T. Let's go. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your memberships. You the man. There you go. Oh, never mind. We appreciate that support there, Pine Tree. We appreciate you shouting out my code, too. You demand for that. Thank you. All right, Pine Tree. Enjoy the gym. Have a good weekend, too. I need to go to the gym. I need to lug this... need to lug this body to the gym. All right, let's see what Tom said. Great story. Compelling and rich. Let me see. I'm going to say just for confirmation, you do take a bath. Take a bath. Oh my goodness, guys. All right. I do think I'm probably just going to call it there, guys. Pretty well done for the day anyway. Let's go over what we did. How did we fare? All right. We're up $457 after fees on the My Funded Futures eval, our funded account. First day in that. We have smoked the day traders, 2 day trader accounts. Okay. Smoked those. We didn't trade anything else. These accounts are old. Bulenox we didn't trade. They still have not removed the funds yet. So waiting on them to do that. We did take one 30-point trade with 3 micros on our 20 funded accounts plus 4 take profit trader accounts. Yeah, so there you go. Still in drawdown of these accounts, but you know, it is what it is. So that's kind of the way we are shaping up our weekend. Ending Friday green. Nothing better than that right there. If you guys want to support the channel, please use my codes. We'll probably do a back testing session over the weekend here. So look for that. It'll be live, obviously. Again, Bulenox 75% off. Take Profit Trader is probably your best deal right now. Either them or My Funded Futures, the starter, $97. If you do get a My Funded Futures account, please use my code, even though it doesn't really give you a discount. It helps support the channel. And I will keep you guys updated in the Discord as to whether Tom Sabo is going to have to drink his bathwater or not. But other than that, appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you next time.